Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So last class we have started the lesson number 3, that is numbers from 0 to 9. Numbers from 0 to 9. These all are one digit numbers. So these are all one digit numbers. Take your textbook in your hand and go on reading. In this lesson, we will learn the concept of 0. So today I am going to explain the concept of 0. And we have done quick check, that is counting and writing the things. So apples. How many apples are there? They have done it. 4, and the number name of 4 is FOUR. Next, 2 jackets, write here 2 and TWO 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs, write here 5 and FIVE. Next, how many birds? There are 7 birds, write here 7 and the spelling is SEVEN 7. I hope you have done it, and today let's learn about next. Page number 177. Collecting objects by observing, arranging, counting and recognizing the number of objects. Observe the collection of objects in the picture given below. There are some pictures like helicopter, car and the train. How many pictures they have given? We should observe the given pictures and we should arrange them, and we have to count it. Down they have given the list of objects and number of objects. How many train? Only one train, so answer is 1. How many cars? There are 2 cars, so they have written answer 2. How many? Look at your textbook. How many jets? Helicopters? 2, so they have written 2. How many helicopters? First it is jet and second one, last one is helicopter. There are 3 helicopters, so answer is 3. Next page, page number 178. Quick check. Count the objects and match them to the correct numbers. So, left side they have given objects and the right side they have given numbers. We should count the objects and we have to match to the number. So, let's count first flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 flowers. So match with number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So match with 6. I am matching along with me. You also match it. So flowers matched to 6. And then pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where is 8? 8 is in first place. So match to 8. Next, count the fishes. There are 2 fishes. Count them. 1 and 2. So where is 2? 2 is here. So match to this. Next, butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 butterflies. Match to 7. I hope you all are also matching it. Count and match. And bags, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bags. So match to 4. And then hut. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 huts. Where is number 3? That is last. Match to 3. And then starfishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 stars. So match to 9. Next, caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 caps. So take this and match to 5. Okay. See, this is the matching. What we matched? You also do it. I hope you are seeing this. First there are 6 flowers, so we matched to 6. And then there are 8 pencils, so we matched to 8. There are 2 fishes, so matched to 2. After that, butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 butterflies, match to 7 butterflies. And then go for next. There are bags, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags, match to 4. And then huts, 1, 2, 3 huts, so match to 3. Then starfish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so match to 9. And then caps, there are 5 caps, so matched to 5. So I hope you also have done it. If you can't do, if it is become fast too, so pause the video and complete your work, and then you can play. Next one, coloring. There are some birds, some are in right side, some are in left side. Okay, they have instructed. Count and write the number of birds that are flying right and left. Also color the birds red that are flying left and green that are flying right. So see the book. This side there are some birds. You should count them and write in the box how many birds are there. In the left there are some birds. Count them and write in the box, and then you should color it. Okay, this is right side and this is left side. So left side, how many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds in the left. This you should color with red. So this has to color with red. This side, this is right. Okay, here how many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 birds. Write 5 number in that box and color these birds with green. Okay, there is a cloud in middle. Okay, here are some birds. How many birds? 5 birds here. So they have given one box. This side there are 4 birds. So this is right and this is left. So this side how many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. Write in this box. And these birds you color with red color. This side there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. Color with green. So you have to do this in your textbook. Okay, I have drawn the picture of your textbook. That is, the left side there are 4 birds. Write in the box 4 and color this by red color. And this side there are 5 birds. Write in the box number 5 and color these birds with green color. Okay, and next we will go for next, one-to-one matching. One-to-one correspondence refers to the ability to match a number to an object or an object to an object. Quick check. Join the kite with the spindle having the same number. one is done for you. Okay, they have done one example for us. In this spindle there are numbers. See, first one SEVEN7, TWO2, FIVE5, NINE9, SIX6. On the kites also number have written. First one is 5, 7, 2, 6, 9, and they have matched first kite 5 with the number name 5 spindle. So next one we should do. So next kite is having number 7 on it. Yes, I hope you are watching. So next kite is having number 7 on it. So where is the number 7 spindle? First one is the number 1 spindle. So match to 7. Okay, this is 7 with 7 spindle. Next 2. Where is 2? Second one is 2. Okay, next 6 with last spindle. So 6 and 6. Next 9 with NINE 9. So we have done it. Next page. Join the rod with the fish having the same number. This is all the concept of counting and matching. We should count the number, or we should identify the number. We should match that respective number to the respective objects. Now see, join the rod with the fish having the same number. There are some fishes in the water. Upside there is a rod with a thread. It is also having number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here the fishes are also having numbers. So first one is 1. Where is the number 1 fish? So you should extend the thread to the fish number 1. Extend the thread. So each rods are having threads. So that thread you extend. Next 2. Where is 2? This is here. So match to 2. Next 3. Where is 3? It's here. So 1. You should not cross the rods. Without crossing another rod or another thread, you should match. Next 4. FOUR4. This is here. 4. Okay. See, I did not cross anywhere threads. You also should do like this. Next 7. Where is 7? It is here. 7. Don't cross the threads. Next 8. 8 is here. So 8. You can do like this. Okay. This is matching numbers with its number names. What is that? ONE1 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, SEVEN7, EIGHT 8. And then concept of 0. Okay. This is an interesting thing, concept of 0. Concept of 0. What is 0? Suppose if I come to a class, I hold my hand like this. Something is there in my hand. Will you tell me what is there in my hand? I'll show you what is there in my hand. There are 2 chalk pieces. What are there in my hand? There are 2 chalk pieces. Can you see this? There are 2 chalk pieces in my right hand. Okay. What is there in my left hand? Nothing. Nothing is there in my hand. It is empty. Nothing is known as zero. If it is nothing, if it is no object, that nothing indicates the zero. Okay? I will show you one basket. Just watch. See, this basket is full of fruits. There are some fruits. In this, is there anything? No. So this is with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits. What is this? This is not having any fruits. So how many fruits? 0 fruits. If there is nothing, that is known as 0. Understood the concept of 0? Okay, now you just watch your textbook, you will understand. Concept of 0, they have given one example. There are 3 cages. First cage, there are 2 birds in a cage. Yes, first cage is having 2 birds. Both of them flew away. From that cage, both the birds flew away. So how many birds are left in the cage? No birds at all. So nothing. Nothing in the sense 0. See the last cage? Birds flew away. So here 0 birds. Next, related to the concept of 0, they have given worksheet. Tick the box that has 0 object. Okay, they have given 2 trees first. First tree is having 1 fruit. This side tree is not having any fruit. Okay, got it? I'll show you on the board. And this branch is having 1 fruit. This side, just there is a branch. Next, there is a plate, empty plate, and here there are 2 cupcakes. Next, there are cakes with, first one is there is a cake without candles, and third one there is a cake with 3 candles, and the last one there is a tray with some vegetables, and one is empty tray. Okay, that is pictures are not clear. You can watch through your textbook. First, this tree is having 1 fruit. What they told us? Tick right mark. Tick the right mark. The box that has 0 object. That should have 0 object. So this tree is not having any fruit. So this is 0. So we have ticked here. Observe the 2 plates. This plate is not having any cupcakes, but this plate is having 2 cupcakes. So this is 0. Tick here. Next, there are 2 cakes. This one cake, this is 1 cake. This is having 3 candles, and this is not having 1 candle also. So this is 0. Tick here. This basket is having many vegetables. Here no vegetables. So this is 0. So you tick that in your textbook. Okay, first one. This tree is having 0. This plate is 0. Here cake is 0. And this is 0. I hope you understand this. You also tick it. Next, concept of 0. There is a girl with 3 sheep. Little girl has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. If girl started out with 3 sheep and 3 sheep ran away, how many sheep does she have left with? So they are telling it one girl is having 3 sheep, that all sheep ran away. So how many sheep are left with that girl? Tell me answer. 3 sheep were there with the girl and all 3 ran away. How many are remaining? 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So next concept is number line. So in the number line, what is number line? Number line. Okay, what is number line? Number line is a line having numbers at equal intervals. There will be a straight line. Okay, this is known as line. Both the side it will extend unlimited. So line in the sense both the side it will extend. So and uncountable, it will extend like how much we want. Okay, first same intervals means distance from the one place to another place will be same. Okay, this is line. Okay, this is just a line. If we write numbers on this with respect to the places intervals, that is known as number line. If the line is having numbers on it, that is known as number line. So start with the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it will continue. So the line is having numbers on it with respective to the intervals. So all the numbers will be in the same intervals. It will be in equal distance. So this is known as number line. So next page number 182. They have given A, B, C, D 4 number lines and they skipped some numbers. So you have to write it. So first one A I will show you. See, this one is the first one, that is A. I'll write A. A, 1, 0 is there, 1, 2, 3 is skipped. Next 4 is skipped. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, last one 9. This is A. And the next one, B. So this one is skipped numbers you should write. First one is 1, 0 after 1, then 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, next 6, 7, 8 and 9. And C, third one, first 0 after what should come? So this is C. 0 after 1, 2, 3 have left, 4 is there, 5, 6, 7. So this is C. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is C. Then I hope you completed B. Next go for D. T. Five, 6, after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is known as number line. So, in the number line, counting and comparison of numbers 0 to 9. Number counting helps to recognize the order of the number. So, before, between, after. See, 1 is after the 0, 1 number is just after the 0 and 2 is just after the 1. 2 is just before the 3. So we will understand by seeing the number line, that is after, before, and third one is between. Okay? After number, before number and between number. The above number line shows that number 3 is before number 4, number 5 is after number 4, number 4 is in between numbers 3 and 5. So, by seeing the number line, we will understand the concept of after, before and between. What comes after? 1 is done for you. So, 4 after 5, 7 after what will come? You should write there. 1 after what will come? You have to write. After 0, after 3, after 2, after 6, after 5 and after 8. What comes before? 7 before 6, 2 before 1, 3 before 2, 9 before 8, 5 before 4, 4 before 3, 8 before 7, 1 before 0, 6 before 5. What comes in between? 1 is done for you. Between in the sense middle. Okay? 7, 8, 9. So this you have to do as a homework. Page number 183 is the homework for you. In next class, I will solve first on the board these all things and then I will go for next concept. Okay? Page number 183 is homework for you. So solve it and the next class we will solve on the board also. Okay? Along with this, very important by-hearting tables. Again and again I am telling you, you should by-heart the tables from 0 to 15. In UKG you have by-hearted 0 to 10. Now only 5 tables to by-heart. Every day morning once read by seeing only. Evening also once by seeing you read it. After 1 month you will be perfect 0 to 15 tables. So this is how to by-heart I am telling you. No need to sit and by-heart. Every day morning once reading 2 to 15 and evening once reading 2 to 15. Like this you do 1 month. After 1 month you will be perfect 2 to 15 tables. Just it's an magic. So do it, then you will understand. So by-hearting tables 2 to 15. Got it? Thank you.